So in this video, I'm going to be determining the LCM of 90 and 108. But in this case, I'm going to be using a special method. In the previous video, where I used the same example, I used the method of determining the product of the highest power of the prime factors, right? So in this video, we may need to create a small table and I'm going to be explaining from there. So let's determine the LCM. So if you have a table like this, so on this table, we have what 90 and we have 108. So basically what we are going to be doing is we are going to be dividing until we divide to a point where we can't divide again. So let's start with 2 divided by 90, that is 45, and of course 2 divided by 108, that will give us 54. Okay, this is 54. So let's look at what else again. Then can 2 go in 54? Yes. So let's still maintain 2. So 2 in 45. 45 cannot be divided by 2. So we return that 45. Okay. Then 2 in 54. And that will give us what? 27. So we can pick the next number, which is what? 3. So 45 divided by 3 will give us 15. And 3 in 27, that is 9, right? That is 9 times 3, 27. Then we can still move on using 3. So 3 in 15, that is 5, and 3 in 9, that is what? 3, right? Then what else? Let's pick 3 again. 3 in 5 is not possible, you return 5, and 3 in 3, that is what? 1. So the last number we can pick here is what? 5, right? 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 1 is not possible, so you return the what? 1. All right, so now the LCM in this case will now be what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times what? 5. So that will give us 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 3 times 5. All right, so 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4. Then 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27, then times 5. So if I multiply all this together, it's going to give you what? 540. So this is the least common multiple of this number. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.